Hi everyone, David here from All Star TCG, and today I'm going to be opening another box of first chapter. Obviously this is a reprint one. The way you can tell on the back, it will have like a sticker at the top there rather than saying CM1 or CM2, and then at the top there it will say EN01 instead of EN02. Alright, so let's crack this one open. There's a bit of sellotape there as well. I'm struggling to put that one up. Yeah, it goes like that. Ain't opened one of these in a while. Alright, let's get straight into it. So we got Tangle, Sebastian, Tinkerbell, One Jump Ahead, Be Our Guest, Frying Pan, Part of Your World on the Rare, Magnificent Rare, and a Lantern Rare iconic that we pulled from the Fabled set last week. Alright, I'll go for the Elsa pack. I've got a thing about Elsa packs. I always feel like I'm going to get an Elsa for an Elsa in these. But I've opened quite a lot of these and no Elsa so far. Donald Duck, He's Got a Sword, Puma, Jafar, Break, Prince Philip, Smash, Scar on the rare, and a Stampede on the foil. Right, next pack. This is a reprint box, by the way. I won't be opening any more CM1 or CM2 boxes. Only reprints from now on. Abu, Timon, Tinkerbell, Prince Eric, Anna, Jasper, Poisoned Apple on the rare, Super Rare Aurora, and a foil Dr. Facilia's cards. Alright. Ooh, all else's now after this. So we got Flounder, Sergeant Tibbs, Yasma, Hercules, Coconut Basket, Ariel, Chronic, Ursula's Shell Necklace, Hades on the Legendary, nice, and a foil Work Together. Let me just get the Hades sleeved. Right, which Elsa am I going to pick? It's going to have to be the middle Elsa. So you got Aladdin, Minnie Mouse, Jet Sam, Simba, Rapunzel, Rafiki, Magic Mirror on the rare, Super Rare Genie, and a foil Donald Duck. Right, I'm going to go do all the else's. You've got Peter Pan, Mickey Mouse, Peter Pan again, Mr. Smee, Elsa, Ransack, Grab Your Sword on the rare, Rare Part of Your World, and a foil Tinkerbell. Right, it's got to be the Elsa on the right there. It's Elsa incoming, come on. I mean, I feel like at the moment, the actual Minnie Mouse iconic up there has beaten the the Elsa price, but I do think the Elsa will always be one of the big cards in Lorcana. Aladdin, Cut to the Chase, Olaf, The Beast is Mine, Cruella de Vil, Mulan Super Rare, and a rare Be Prepared. All Mickeys now. Right. So we got Work Together, Pongo, Freeze, Hercules, Lilo, Stitch on the rare, Simba rare, and a foil rare as well. I'm going to go middle. Oh, another Elsa's appeared now as well. We got Develop Your Brain, Abu, Captain Hook, Moana, Reflection, Tamatoa, Hades on the rare, Tamatoa super rare, and a foil Magic Broom. Right, I'm going to have to go for that Elsa in the middle. Come on. We got Peter Pan, Minnie Mouse, Tinkerbell, Mickey Mouse, Starkey, Kuzco on the rare, Maurice rare, and a foil Sudden Chill. We'll keep going down this middle pile. Only the Hades Legendary so far. We've got Tinkerbell, Merlin, Gaston, Mr. Smee, not the right Elsa, but still at Elsa, Fire the Cannons, Tigger, Cheshire Cat, the Queen Super Rare, and a common foil. Right, last pack in the middle. We got Genie, Aurora, Sergeant Tibbs, Stitch, Yasma, Belle, Beast, LeFou, Ursula Legendary, nice, and a Rafiki on the foil. Right, so 2 legendaries out of this so far. I think on the last one we actually only got 3 legendaries, which is quite disappointing. I'm hoping we can change the luck on this one. We've got Stampede, Work Together, Gaston, Magic Broom, Captain Hook, Cinderella, Ransack, Let It Go on the rare, Zeus rare, and a foil Gaston. We got Mickey Mouse, Pongo, Simba, The Wardrobe, Hercules, Rapunzel, Elsa, Mad Hatter, Do It Again on the rare, Ariel super rare, and the Ariel super rare on the foil. Nice, double Ariel. Got the Ariel Enchanted from the Fabled there as well. Should be getting that graded in the next few days, so hopefully that one will come back a 10. Right, we've got Sudden Chill, He's Got a Sword, Friends of the Other Side, Fire the Cannons, Elsa, Flynn Rider, Sword of Truth on the rare, Mickey Mouse rare, and a Whole New World super rare foil. Another Elsa pack. Got Mickey Mouse, Scar, Timon, Break, Eye of the Fates, Mickey Mouse, Beast, Moana on the rare, John Silver Legendary, and Donald Duck on the foil. Like I said on the last one, we did only get 3 legendaries, so I'm hoping we don't just have these 3. Hopefully we get some more fire on these. We got Mickey Mouse, Peter Pan, Simba, Jafar, Prince Eric, Captain, Befuddle, Jasper, Robin Hood Super Rare Stitch, and a foil break. Right, last pack on this side. We got Tinkerbell, Goofy, Freeze, Prince Eric, Fan the Flames, Anna, Jasmine on the rare, Super Rare Mickey Mouse, and a foil common. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs. So we've got Aladdin, Merlin, Minnie Mouse, Sebastian, Jet Sam, Fire the Cannons, Cinderella, Simba, Scar on the rare. We'll take the Magnificent on the rare legendary. On the legendary. And Control Your Temper. Alright, what else we got? We got Genie, Develop Your Brain, Scar, Heal and Glow, Goons, Cut to the Chase, Ursula, The Beast Is Mine, Maui on the rare, and a foil Friends on the other side. So we got 3 more packs on this one. So we got Horace, Jasmine, Elsa, Tinkerbell, Eye of the Fates, Maximus, Smash, Plasma Blaster on the rare, Lilo rare, and a foil Aurora. Oh, another Elsa pack. Right, last 2 packs. Can we pull the Elsa from this one? Sudden Chill, Donald Duck, Goofy, Magic Broom, Goons, Moana, Olaf, Captain Hook on the rare, Aladdin Super Rare, and a foil He's Got a Sword. Can we get some last pack magic on this one? I hope so. Aladdin, Jasmine, Elsa, Heal and Glow, The Wardrobe, Aurora, Goofy, Donald Duck, Steal from the Rich, Ariel on the rare, and a foil common. Oh, I'm going to have to stop opening these boxes because this was like a £250 box. And my hits from that £250 box were this Magnificent, John Silver Legendary, Ursula Legendary, and a Hades Legendary. So I can't lie, I'm a bit disappointed with that box break. I think I'm going to have to stop opening reprints of these as well because their price are not in sync with what you actually get from a box. I did get these a bit cheaper when they were on eBay for like $150, but these are like $250 at the moment. So probably going to stop opening these, to be fair. There are still a few foils I need, but I think I'll just be buying those singles. But thanks for watching, guys. I will be back with another box break. Probably not first chapter, but another box break next week.